Turning shells into a luxury decor. Hi everyone, welcome back to Arts by Vash. We'll see the things that we need to make this bottle art. So first, this is original shells, then white color, then bottle, paint brushes and sky blue colors, then a jute twine. Now I'm applying this white color on the bottle to make base as white. I'm using this sponge to color so that it gives a good texture, as you can see here, and this is done. Now I'll take a glue and will apply this jute in a circular way. This is my husband helping me in between. Okay, so I'll apply this. I'll do 3-4 rounds. Meanwhile, let me know in the comments if you have seen my earlier bottle arts. As we are making sea theme, so I am applying blue color here. Again, trying to give some texture here. Continuing applying this jute twine here. And it's done. Now I'll take a glue gun, applying glue on the bottle, and will stick different shapes of shells on it. Some bigger, some smaller, like this. I recently went to Konkan, which is in Maharashtra, and there I found these beautiful shells and I thought of making this beautiful art out of it. We have also made one vlog on it. If you want to see, I'll mention the ID handle in my description. Please do watch. With shells, I am applying some pearls here to make it look more beautiful. And doing some final touch. And this is done. Let me know in the comments how do you like it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.